Hi friends, and welcome to the last day of introductions for the September 2024 release. Today we are introducing Elephant Cheer and its coordinating creative cuts. And this is what the images in the set look like when all stamped out. There are lots of different images in this set, so many cute elephants, and also a bunch of images to decorate your scene, such as the gifts and the trees. Today I will be coloring the little elephant hanging out of the wreath. I think this one may be my favorite one from the entire set. For the elephant I'm using cool grays, and for the wreath I'm using some traditional Christmas colors. You can find the marker numbers in the description below. And of course some white gel pen accents to finish my image. And that is the coloring for today. Let's create a cute scene. I'm creating my card on a standard sized A2 card base. I wanted to create a nighttime scene, and for this purpose I'm making this background with some dark blue cardstock, which I've distressed on the edges with some black soot distress ink, and I splattered the panel with some gold metallic watercolor paint. Alright, this is what my head did when I first saw this set. Elephants, circus, house grid cover. So that's what I did. I took the house grid cover and some masking tape, and I made it to look like a circus tent. I cut off the border of one of the Eyelet frames and use it to embellish the top of my circus tent. And of course, my favorite bow from the Wreath Shaker Creative Cuts makes an appearance as well. Send in the clowns, the elephants. Now we can start adding our colored images into the circus tent. That little elephant in the wreath was just made to sit in that top window. And that finishes my card for today. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and leave a comment below for a chance to win a prize from Mama Elephant. This was the last day of introductions for this release. Visit the socials tomorrow for the promo for this release, as there will be a couple of very cute freebie sets that you can acquire when ordering through our website. This release is available for purchase from the 15th of September, and over here on YouTube, I'll see you next month. Bye!